Here's some helpful tips on how to inspect your furnace so you can avoid problems over the winter months. First thing we're going to do is look at the amount of debris that has built up around the outside of the furnace. We want to keep this whole area clean so that if there is a problem, we have easy access. And if there's a gas leak, there's nothing here that can be combustible and add to a potential fire. So tip number one, clean up the area around your furnace. Right here we've got some debris. We have a gas line that is leading into our furnace with some open wires. I'm going to advise the homeowners here to make sure that these are insulated and covered up, just to make sure that it's not a potential hazard. When cleaning the surfaces near your furnace, your best friend is this soft bristle brush. It's great because it won't do damage to the metal or ductwork, and it's very useful in cleaning off debris. You can see here that every seam on a furnace is painted with this sealant. This stops air from getting in where it's not supposed to, or any of the air from getting out. The only time they don't use this is where there's going to be an access panel. So as we're cleaning the debris from the surface of our furnace, we're going to make sure that all of these seams are intact and not compromised. These ones look great. This is the Condensate Collection Pad. When water condensates in the cooling unit of your air conditioner, it will drip down into this pan, collect, and then drain off to outside of your house. It's not used in the fall and winter months, so this is a good time to clean out this pan to make sure there's no debris in the drain, so you have free flow leaving from the pan to your exterior. Every heating and air conditioning unit is different, but they all work on the same principle. You want to bring clean air in at the beginning, transform it by either heating it or cooling it and sending it out to your house. Let's inspect this first part of the system where the air comes in. We want to make sure that the ductwork is well insulated and fully sealed. This one's in great shape. Now that we've seen where air comes into our heating and air conditioning unit, let's take a look at where it comes out of it on the other end. The area that delivers hot or cold air to your rooms. That's done via ductwork. In this case, we're going to go along all of the ducts to make sure that they're insulated properly and that none of the insulation has been compromised. Oh, right there I can see an area where the insulation has come away from the ductwork. There's a bit of bare galvanized tin showing. That's an area we're going to want to re-insulate, recover, to make sure that we have maximum efficiency in our ductwork. By taking just 5 minutes in the fall and winter to inspect your furnace and air conditioning unit, you can lower your heating bills, keep your family healthy and safe, and spot any potential problems that may cost you more later on.